In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lists in Attio CRM. By the end, you'll know how to create a list, pick a starting point, add people the right way, and understand how importing can speed things up. Think of lists as focused groups of records you can use for outreach, reporting, or pipeline management. They help you keep related contacts together so you can work faster and stay organized. First, log into your Attio account and head to the Lists area. This is your home base for creating and managing the groups you'll work with. To create a new one, look for the plus icon and click it. That opens the setup flow so you can define what your list is about. You'll see options to start from scratch or use a template. For this walkthrough, choose Preview Template to see what's included before you commit. Starting from scratch gives you complete control to build every field and view yourself. Using a template is faster and gives you a proven structure right away. Great when you want consistency and best practices out of the box. When the preview looks good, click. Use this template. Attio will instantly create the list with the fields and layout shown in the preview, so you can get to work without configuring everything manually. Next, add your first person. Click Add Person. This lets you link an existing contact or create a new one. It's the fastest way to enrich your list and keep related information, like activity and company context, connected in one place. Start typing the record you want. If Attio finds a match, select it. If nothing comes up, choose Create New Record to add a fresh contact. Enter the email address carefully. It's a key identifier that helps Attio track communication and prevent duplicates. If you have more than one email, add them here so all interactions are captured. Set a company value to connect the person to their organization. This improves reporting and makes it easier to navigate between people and companies later. When you're done, click Create Record. You'll return to the list with your new contact ready to go. To include them in this specific group, click Add to List. That confirms they're part of the audience you'll work with here. If you already have contacts elsewhere, you can also import them. Use the Import option to bring in a spreadsheet or CSV. Then map your columns, like name, email, and company, to the fields in Attio. Clean data going in makes clean data coming out, so review for typos and duplicates before confirming. That's it. You've created a list, chosen a smart starting point, added a person correctly, and seen how imports can scale your work. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.